Hi, I'm Tom Lydon, editor of ETF Trends here in San Diego at the Charles Schwab Impact Conference. And I'm here with Jillian Del-Signore, head of ETF distribution at JP Morgan. Jillian, great seeing you.
You too, Tom.
So a lot's been going on with JP Morgan, and you just had kind of your first ever really exciting launch. Tell us about it.
Absolutely. So we actually launched our first active ETF, JPHF, the JP Morgan Diversified Alternatives ETF. I think it really shows the innovation that JP Morgan is putting into our ETF product development and really trying to solve for clients' needs, advisors' needs. That's why we're incredibly excited about the launch of JPHF about 6 weeks ago now.
Okay, so you've got kind of a alternatives team at JP Morgan that's pretty world renowned. Folks know about it. So let me just imagine this team brought forth a variety of different strategies where they use the hedge fund universe to maybe pull some of the best, is that right?
So basically, Yaz Ramahi is the CIO of beta strategies at JP Morgan. He actually and his team have run alternative beta strategies for 7 years now, and they run multiple billions of dollars in similar strategies for institutions as well as in mutual fund form. And so they were able to take what they're trying to achieve with JPHF is giving investors direct access to hedge fund strategies, global macro, long short equity, and event driven. This is not a hedge fund replication, it's not a fund of funds, it is direct access to those strategies to really help diversify a portfolio.
Yeah, it's fantastic. So everyone's talking about alternative strategies, but it seems that no one's committed yet, or very, very few advisors. Here at this conference, it's one of the biggest topics, but everyone's trying to plan for the future, but not yet put their foot in the water.
That's right.
What do advisors need to do, especially as we haven't had a lot of volatility in stocks or bonds for a long period of time?
You know, it's so interesting. I think you see this product development within the ETF industry, and I think one area that we really haven't seen a lot is in alternatives. I think a lot of advisors just haven't seen compelling product come to market that they feel like they can utilize to properly diversify a portfolio. That's ultimately what we hear they're looking to alternatives for. So with JPHF, they can really diversify a portfolio for their clients. And the great thing about it is, because it's multi-strategy, giving you access to 3 different strategies, you can use it as a core. And if you are already investing in other types of liquid alternatives or more traditional alternatives, you can satellite around it. But if you don't, and this is your first entrance into alternatives, it can be that core solo solution.
Sure, and most importantly, if you've got a real high correlation to long equities, the S&P 500, and it's a big part of your portfolio, hey, the good times at one point are going to end, so being able to diversify to some degree is great. Ticker symbol one more time?
JPHF.
JPHF, great.
That's right.
Jillian, thanks so much.
Thank you, Tom.